Hello, hello. What are today's messages? And what do we need to hear today? Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Action. Get some extra sleep today. If you are overdue for a vacation, book in a short and simple one. You deserve it. Alrighty, which box has our messages today? Be careful not to let the noise of your mind overpower the whispers of your heart. Get caught up in just being your most amazing self. Yes, yes. You don't meet people by accident, and nothing in life happens by coincidence. Start paying attention. They didn't leave you. I moved them out of your way. The universe. The biggest life hack is becoming your own best friend. Everything is easier when you do. All right, which other box has our messages today? Let's do this one. We have so many quotes to go through. Your ability to feel other people's pain doesn't mean it's your responsibility to fix it. Admit it, you got a dope soul. Stop regretting being a caring person. Whoever got the experience, you needed your light at the time. You stay kind and committed to your love. Don't you dare doubt your worth or the beauty of your truth. Just keep on shining like you do. Do you know what your biggest life lesson is? Look at 1. What has been your biggest struggle? 2. What has been your biggest repeating pattern? Remember, the more resistance you have, the greater the lesson it is. Want change? Walk, read, write, build, sweat, focus. Daily, small habits repeated day after day equals massive results. If you have to hurt people in order to feel powerful, you are an extremely weak individual. Yes, yes. And do you know what else is contagious? Love, support, healing, laughter, kindness, gratitude, compassion, and genuine compliments. Your energy is special. Conserve it. Give it to the right people. Limit the negativity. Stay peaceful. Have fun. Be compassionate. Make plans to do things that recharge and nourish your mind, body, heart, and soul. And the last one today. Don't make yourself small for anyone. Be the awkward, funny, intelligent, beautiful little weirdo that you are. Don't hold back. Weird out. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.